Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 40i and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the system option. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see, this is kind of a shortcut of the list of available languages. Here we've got those which we are using kind of currently. So let's tap on other languages. And here we've been transferred to the full list of them. So simply find your language and tap on it, and let me choose maybe Greek. Just tap, and after tapping on the specific language, your device will ask you if you really want to change it, so if you want to apply it as a default one. So just tap on apply language, and as you can see in my case, the whole system will be displayed in the Greek language. What is more, if you've got more than one language added to this shortcut list, you can simply reorder the languages to change them. So let me quickly change it to the maybe Spanish. Just tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, in a second your device will display everything in another language. Let me change it to English. Just tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And there we've got English applied. Of course, if you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the languages and tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.